Hi, we speak a bit about the big 100 meters clash set for the Lausanne leg of the Diamond League this evening. Big race, big field, 8 of 11 sprinters, including the Jamaican 1-2-3 crew. This is the equivalent of an Olympic or a World Championship final. It will be the first time since the World Championships that the big Jamaican three will face off. And obviously, Shelley is the big favorite. We're still not sure where Elaine is, while Sharika's brilliance level continues to rise rapidly. So while Shelley is a red-hot favorite, me know and you know, so favoritism no win race, a running win race. This race, though, could be pivotal in the greatest female sprinter of all time debate. If Shelley takes that 10.54 national record from Elaine, then the argument would effectively be done. If Elaine can somehow rally, beat Shelley, and get back into that 10.5 zone, where only she of the three has gone, then the debate will continue. If Sharika can spoil the party and beat them both with another personal best, that would bring a new and extended dynamic to the GOAT debate. So, let's bring it on in Lausanne!